Welcome to our roundup of the best air purifiers for kitchens. Powerful air cleaning devices designed to help remove cooking smoke, grease particles, odors, and airborne pollutants that often build up while preparing meals. Kitchens can quickly fill with smoke, food smells, and microscopic particles from frying, grilling, or baking. Modern air purifiers help improve air quality by using multi-stage filtration systems that often include pre-filters, HEPA filters, and activated carbon layers to trap dust, smoke, and odors. Whether you cook frequently or simply want to reduce lingering food smells, these air purifiers offer a practical way to keep kitchen air fresh and breathable. Let's take a closer look at some of the best air purifiers for kitchens available right now. Starting with the Eureka air purifier, this model offers strong air cleaning capability while remaining compact enough for kitchens and dining areas. Many versions include an H13 true HEPA filtration system that captures up to 99.97% of particles such as dust, smoke, pet dander, and cooking pollutants. The purifier often features a multi-layer filtration system that includes a washable pre-filter and activated carbon layer to help remove cooking odors and grease particles from the air. With coverage reaching large indoor spaces and whisper-quiet operation around 22 decibels, it can run continuously without creating noticeable noise. Its efficient airflow helps circulate clean air throughout the kitchen, while the compact design allows flexible placement on floors or nearby counters. The purifier is also designed with user-friendly controls, allowing you to easily switch between fan speeds depending on cooking activity. This makes it particularly helpful during heavy cooking sessions, when smoke and odors can quickly build up in the kitchen. Next up is the Westhay air purifier, a practical choice designed to keep kitchen air fresh during everyday cooking. This purifier commonly includes a multi-stage filtration system that combines a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon layer. These filters work together to capture airborne grease, dust, and smoke particles while helping reduce strong food odors from cooking. Many versions offer multiple fan speed settings so users can increase airflow when cooking generates more smoke or reduce it for quieter operation. The compact structure makes it easy to position in kitchens without taking up too much counter or floor space. Simple controls and easy filter replacement also make it convenient for everyday use and busy cooking environments. Its balanced airflow system also helps improve air circulation, which is especially useful in kitchens with limited ventilation or closed layouts. Moving on to the Aerove air purifier, this compact model focuses on quiet operation and efficient filtration for small to medium kitchen spaces. It typically uses a multi-layer filter system designed to remove smoke, dust, pollen, and airborne cooking particles. The activated carbon filter also helps absorb lingering kitchen odors that can remain after preparing meals. Many users appreciate its low-noise sleep mode, which allows it to run continuously without becoming distracting. Adjustable fan speeds allow the purifier to handle both light cooking odors and heavier smoke from frying or grilling. With its modern design and efficient airflow, the Aerove purifier can fit easily into kitchens, apartments, or dining areas while improving overall air freshness. The compact build also makes it easy to move between rooms if needed, allowing users to maintain cleaner air in multiple areas of the home. Stepping up in performance, the Muka air purifier offers dependable air purification designed for homes where cooking odors and airborne particles frequently circulate. Many Muka models feature H13 true HEPA filters, capable of trapping dust, smoke, pollen, and other microscopic pollutants. The multi-layer filtration system also helps reduce lingering food odors by using an activated carbon filter. These purifiers often include several fan speeds along with a quiet sleep mode, allowing them to run throughout the day without creating noticeable noise. The design usually allows 360-degree air intake, helping circulate air more efficiently throughout kitchens and nearby living spaces. With balanced performance and reliable filtration, Muka is a strong choice for maintaining clean indoor air while cooking. Its wider coverage also makes it suitable for open kitchen layouts that connect with dining rooms or living areas, ensuring cleaner air throughout the entire space. Taking the top spot is the Blue air purifier, a brand widely recognized for its advanced air filtration technology and strong airflow performance. Many Blue Air models use proprietary filtration systems that combine mechanical and electrostatic filtration to remove airborne pollutants efficiently while maintaining quiet operation. These purifiers often include activated carbon filters that help reduce odors from cooking, pets, and smoke while capturing particles like dust and pollen. Blue Air models are also known for high clean air delivery rates, allowing them to purify air quickly even in larger kitchen or dining areas. With modern design, efficient airflow, and reliable filtration performance, Blue Air stands out as one of the most capable options for improving kitchen air quality. All of these air purifiers serve different needs depending on kitchen size, cooking habits, and filtration preferences. The Eureka Air Purifier offers strong HEPA filtration and quiet operation for large spaces. The Westhay Air Purifier provides practical multi-stage filtration for everyday kitchen use. The Air Air Purifier delivers compact and quiet air cleaning for smaller kitchens. The Muka Air Purifier offers reliable filtration and balanced airflow performance. And the Blue Air Purifier stands out for its powerful filtration technology and high-performance air cleaning. That wraps up our list of the best air purifiers for kitchens. If you want to reduce cooking smoke, eliminate lingering food odors, or simply improve the air quality in your home, one of these air purifiers could be a great solution. Let us know in the comments which air purifier you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your kitchen air fresh and clean while cooking.